Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're turning these grocery store sheet cakes into a $1,000 birthday cake. I'm thinking gravity-defying, tipsy-turvy, colorful. You'll see. Quick prayer though. Whew. So the first thing we want to do is take off all this decoration. We might even use it. This cake is low-key melted. I left it sit out for a couple days. I was busy, y'all. I was busy. So we're first just gonna scrape this all off. And we're gonna use the frosting for the filling. Unless this cake has a filling. We shall see. These cakes only cost me $20, so talk about smart. If we can pull this off, we're making bank. It's so funny too, because when I was getting these cakes from the grocery store, I was like, please don't recognize me. Please don't recognize me. She recognized me. She was like, aren't you the guy who makes cakes? And I was like, yeah. She was so excited. She was like, oh my God, I can't believe you're gonna redecorate my cake. I was scared she would take it as an insult, but she didn't. She was very excited. So shout out to them. They were very nice. Ugh. So first, we want 8-inch. Hopefully I could get enough cakes out of this, because the worst thing you could do is get a small cake. I don't even know the flavor. I'm hoping it has filling in it. Don't do me dirty. Ooh, it's marble, but no filling. I've had worse. I don't know why I do these challenges. You would think it's easier. Let me just say this is so much harder than just starting from scratch. Okay, so we're gonna do a 4-inch cake. I don't have a 4-inch cake board, so I'm using a cake pan. Ooh, look at that. Next sheet cake. This one is plain old vanilla. Okay, so we have our cakes. I cleaned up a little. This is our 8-inch. This is our wonky 6-inch and our 4-inch. So I figured we could use the remaining icing. It might even create a cool color because it's like kind of like tie-dye-ish. First layer down. Ooh. And now you're gonna add some frosting. Boom. This icing is like weird texture. So now we kind of have this blue tie-dye frosting. It's kind of giving cotton candy. Next layer. This one is marble. Oh God. Literally crumbing apart. Just pretend you don't see it anymore. Okay, our next cake is a 6-inch. So we're gonna repeat that process 3 times.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I got the cake colder, but we have a lot of work to do, y'all. So I have some extra buttercream here. And we're just gonna try to ice it the best we can. The secret to this is doing multiple coats and getting it cold. And I'm just gonna try to smooth this out the best I can. Okay, now that our cakes are covered in buttercream, we're gonna work on the fondant. I have some ivory-ish color here. And what I'm envisioning is the cartoon cakes. If you guys know the trend, pew, pew. So you're gonna roll out the fondant. So this should be pretty good. So now what I like to do is roll it over my rolling pin. Drag your cake, and we're gonna roll it over the cake. Hopefully this is long enough. Uh-oh. First you want to make sure you get the top, then the sides. If you need help covering cakes in fondant, click this video. It goes into more detail. Some pink fondant here. And what we're going to do is roll it out and we're going to create a drip. Roll. This is just going to act as glue. And using this instead of water is just better because water would make it like stick. And we don't want it stick because we want to cut a lot of it off. Place the pink over. Bam. And what you're gonna do is literally just cut it very randomly. Some could be higher, some could be super low. Now you can see it looks like frosting. Different shade of pink. So you're gonna roll it like a sausage. Okay, you're also gonna wanna use some Crisco. So I'm just gonna put it around. Grab your sausage or rope of fondant and you're literally just gonna put it around. Just like that. And now you're just gonna push it down. It doesn't have to be perfect because you kind of want it to be textured. I think I want to do white at the bottom. Then push it down. I'm a little scared, y'all, just because this is soft cake. First one going down. These are bubble tea straws. They're gonna support the weight of the cake. So you're just gonna wanna put a couple of them just so the cake doesn't collapse. If you don't use these cakes could sink into each other and be a hot mess. But we're gonna use some styrofoam. If you want, you could cover it. I'm just doing this for content, so you won't see it. I'm gonna put it in the back of the cake. You're just gonna put it through. Just like this. Boom. From the front. Ah! I'm gonna add another piece. This one's not as big because the cake's small. And now we're gonna add the last here. I see the comments, Justin, oh my god, you see a styrofoam, Justin, ah! Am I done? Am I done? I came back from the store. I got a couple different stuffs. I got some donuts, so I thought that could be cute. Cupcakes. And I got these mini ice cream cones I thought would be cute. But I didn't know they were mini. Like, this is doll size. Okay, so I think I'll add a cupcake here. Stay. I feel like adding the decorations is so difficult sometimes. Donut. Ideally, we just want to cover up all the... That was so rude. Here. Literally, I thought the mini would be too mini, but for the sprinkles, all I did is cut out some fondant because I want them to be jumbo sprinkles. I'm only gonna add it to this tier. This also is gonna help cover up my imperfections. And this is the final product. What do y'all think? Boom! I think we nailed it, y'all. Do you remember this styling? This was a sheet cake. We were crying just a few hours ago. And now we have this masterpiece. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and the notification bell so you can know when our next video is coming out. I don't know what we're making next. Leave some suggestions in the comment section because I'm running out of ideas, y'all. You know what time it is?